This is our Cal 28-2. So we're looking at the back of a Westerbeke 13A 2-cylinder marine diesel that's in my wife's and I Cal 28-2 that we picked up last year from a guy that taught me how to sail. So long story short, we're doing a little bit of maintenance. We replaced the fuel filter here below the rail, and there's also supposed to be a fuel filter in this fuel pump. So I'm going to see if I can get that off. And then we also replaced the water separator and filter up by the diesel tank in the side compartment. But we're trying to learn about the boat, start our own maintenance cycles, go through everything that needs to be done, and try and just have a good season and be ready for whatever comes at us. So the bottom of this filter has a nut on it with a hole, and it looks like a little grounding cable, and that's probably how it grounds out. So small little Phillips, and then I'm going to try and turn off the bottom of that filter, see what happens. So I've got it partially loosened, just got some paper towels out, put a glove on, and I'm going to try and open up and see if it comes apart easy. I think a filter element's just going to drop out of this thing. Yep, so a little filter element came out. Looks pretty junky, might have not been done in a good while. There's a little magnet in the bottom there, and I'm just going to clean this up. And so we got it cleaned up pretty good, wiped everything out. You can see, so there's a grounding screw that goes into the bottom. And then I just got that off with a 17 mil. Again, that filter really gummed up. Probably hasn't been done in a while. And I lucked out, had a spare filter on board. So I'm going to swap that in and then probably order a whole new set of filters to have on board for the next time around. It runs substantially better with all of those filters done. I mean, low idle and just responds so quickly.